If you want your tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, cabbage, and other vegetables to grow healthier, produce bigger harvests, and suffer from fewer pests, then today's video is for you. Today we're talking about companion planting, a natural gardening method where certain plants are grown together because they benefit each other. Some plants help repel harmful insects. Some attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, while others improve soil health. Be sure to watch until the end because I'll also share a few plant combinations you should never grow together. Let's get started. What is companion planting? Companion planting is a natural gardening technique where different plants are carefully placed together to support each other's growth. Companion planting offers many benefits. It helps reduce pest problems naturally, it attracts beneficial insects like bees and butterflies, and it encourages healthier plant growth. Improves soil quality. Increases overall harvest, reduces the need for chemical pesticides. Tomatoes and basil. One of the most popular companion planting combinations is tomatoes and basil. Benefits: helps discourage several common garden pests, attracts bees and other pollinators, supports healthy tomato growth, adds a wonderful fragrance to your garden. Marigolds and vegetables. Marigolds are much more than beautiful flowers, they're a natural protector for your vegetable garden. Benefits: help deter many common garden pests, add bright color while supporting a healthier garden. If you're growing cucumbers, sunflowers make excellent companion plants. Benefits: can provide natural support for cucumber vines, attract pollinators, may improve overall production. Cabbage and dill are a perfect pair. Dill is a fragrant herb that works well with cabbage. It attracts beneficial insects and helps manage certain pests. This supports healthier cabbage plants. Carrots and onions are great companion plants. The strong scent of onions can confuse certain pests. Their roots grow at different depths. This makes better use of garden space. Beans and corn. Beans are known for helping improve soil by adding nitrogen. When planted with corn, corn provides natural support for climbing beans. Beans help improve soil fertility. Both plants benefit each other. Spinach and radishes are excellent companions. Radishes mature quickly. After harvesting radishes, spinach has more room to grow, produces more food in a small garden space.
Lettuce prefers partial shade. Growing it near taller crops like corn or tomatoes offers several advantages. It protects lettuce and helps the soil retain moisture, keeps lettuce leaves fresh for a longer time.
Plants you should never grow together. Now let's look at a few combinations to avoid. Tomatoes and potatoes. Both plants are vulnerable to many of the same diseases, making it easier for problems to spread.
Onions may slow the growth of beans when planted too close together. Fennel. Fennel can negatively affect the growth of many garden plants, so it's usually best grown in a separate area.
Companion planting is an easy, natural, and effective way to improve your vegetable garden without spending extra money. Growing basil with tomatoes, marigolds with vegetables, carrots with onions, and beans with corn can help create healthier plants and increase your chances of a better harvest. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Leave a comment below and let us know what vegetables you're growing in your garden this season. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next gardening video. Happy gardening!